We are off to Catalina for 1 week.
1 week of beautiful Catalina.
Snorkeling, fishing, kayaking.
Having way too much fun for a couple of old people.
Yeah.
We are being shadowed by Alex. Alex, a nice young man. We met him recently. He came to the marina because he actually bought our old Columbia from the guy that we sold it to, who decided he didn't want a sailboat anymore. Alex is prepping the boat. He's going to sail it up to San Francisco and be a liveaboard. But we've been helping him out, going over helping him with some systems and whatnot. And he's, yeah, he's getting it all ready. He's going to go with us over to Catalina. Should be a fun trip. Messing with my B-roll. Pacific. It's pretty calm today, actually. Make our turn to starboard. I don't think you can see Catalina out there. Maybe you can. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, we'll just wait till you get done. Anyway, Catalina's out there in the distance. We're gonna make a turn to starboard and head into Emerald Bay. First mate wants to do a little snorkeling, and then we'll probably pick up anchor and head around to the backside after that. Hey folks, afternoon update. We are headed for Catalina. We're probably about 5 nautical miles out. We are almost in the shipping lanes. You can see this guy out here. He's gonna be probably crossing our path. We're gonna just kind of keep an eye on him. Alex is behind us. We're doing averaging about 6 knots. Rolly sea. 2-ish footers, maybe. But it's confused because we got two foot coming from the northwest here, which is absolutely normal. But then we've got some other stuff coming back over on our port side that's kind of mixing. So it's not unusual for it to be lumpy like this, which it is. You can see us doing a little bouncing, but absolutely becalmed wind-wise. We're expecting a total of 4 knots today, maybe. Of wind, so we're going to motor the whole way. And you know what, this isn't lumpy enough to be bad at all. I mean, we're bouncing a little to and fro, but you know, we've had it a whole lot worse than this. Dog Friday is tightly nestled in her favorite spot over here. And as you can see, first mate finished the 2 cushions for out here, sitting up on her newly made cushions, which has made this trip a whole lot more pleasant. Thank you, first mate, for that. So anyway, we'll give you another update in a while. Midday update. Well, we decided against Emerald Bay and decided that there were too many mooring balls littered in there. Looked like there were more added. and the charts were showing us that we were in 20 feet. We were in about 60 feet, so we decided just go around the backside, go to Cat Harbor, drop anchor, be done with it. So Alex is in tow over here. He's behind us, sailing along, motoring as it is. First mate is skippering the boat, and we've got up here the tip of Catalina. You can't see the lighthouse is up at the tip, top of the tip. It's a little bitty lighthouse, a little stick. There is a fishing boat with a load of people in it. They may be just whale watching, observing or something. The rest of the trip around the backside was pretty uneventful. We pulled into Cat Harbor, we dropped our anchor, and then we were entertained by a seaplane that went by. It was very interesting to see a seaplane on the backside of Catalina. We hadn't seen that before, but there were many more instances to come. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Stick around, we've got 6 more days at the island. Those videos will be coming up in the next weeks. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, and we appreciate you being here.